Hello there, and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you one of my favorite apps. It is the easiest app you ever use on an Android TV. It also has one of the best functions, and it's going to be the Fast Stacks Killer app. So the purpose of this app is to clear your memory, giving you a smart, smooth, and lovely experience on your Android TV. What you need to do is to go to the apps menu and navigate to the Fast Stacks Killer. If you do not have this app already, check on this channel. You find videos showing you how to download apps with various methods. So when you have this app installed, just click on it, like boom. As you click on the app, you're going to have memory released. So you can see that 352 megabytes released. Click on it again, you have more memory released. And right now I have memory release 0, telling me that my application has cleared the memory, and this keeps the TV smooth. It keeps it well and fast running, and that's exactly what you want for your Android TV. If you got your Android TV smooth, if you found this video insightful, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, join this family, and you have informative content like this on a regular. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.